Many avid gamers wonder if it's feasible to enjoy Monster Hunter Now to its fullest without having to physically change locations. The answer is a definitive yes. In this video, we will explore the exciting possibilities of playing Monster Hunter Now without the need for actual movement. To embark on this thrilling journey, we highly recommend harnessing the power of UltFone iOS location changer. Let's delve deeper into this game-changing tool and discover how it can elevate your Monster Hunter Now experience. Now, let's dive into the easy and secure steps on how to move in Monster Hunter Now without walking with UltFone iOS location changer. Step 1. Download and install the UltFone iOS location changer tool and select Change Location. Step 2. Connect your iPhone to your computer and run it. Step 3. Choose the new location on the map where you want to cheat on Monster Hunter Now. And click Start Moving. Step 4. Your iPhone will now simulate movement at the selected location, proving incredibly useful for games like Monster Hunter Now. In addition to changing the location, this tool also has a very powerful function. Here is an introduction to one of the most commonly used functions in the game, joystick movement. You can see your location on the map and zoom in and out to observe. Here you can drag the slider to adjust the movement speed. And then you can see the joystick controller. Just click it to move. It should be noted that the moving speed should not be too fast, otherwise you will easily be warned. If you want to return to the real location, just click the icon on the lower right or restart the device. So guys, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you.